Guys, Mountain Mama here, back with another package. So this one's from Boiler Direct, and it's a 2-for-1. Oh wow, so these are carabiners for hiking and traveling. They are really thick. And I have no idea what these are for. Oh, they're carabiner clips. So you have a lock under here, and it comes off, and it won't do anything there. That's really cool. You have to press like all of them to get it undone. That's cool for backpacks and stuff. I don't know if I'd use plastic for actually hiking, but these are really cool. Let's do the metal ones. These are really thick, so you have to twist it to get it off and on, which makes it great. My son's gonna love these. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and as always, the link to buy any of this stuff will be below in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you later.